YouTube as well. I just hope it works out. Where you from, bro? It's the same as fee. Fee? Are you running live here and YouTube? Yes, and YouTube. I'm just trying to set up the YouTube quickly. I only have one monitor with me today, so it's just a little bit difficult to live stream is offline. Why is that not working? Okay, then I'll chat to you guys. I'm sorry. A lot. Good. YouTube is hard to follow, but I've been busy, so I've got to follow like I want to. Nice, bro. Yeah, Discord's a lot easier. From Namibia. Where in Namibia are you from, bro? Nice, sure, chilling out with you. Olaka. Ek is a soti. It's the same as fee, morphe. What? Sorry, bro. I'm just reading that. Are you telling me like your sexuality, or like? Sorry. I just need to update this. 8 out of 8. That's what we've been doing. Oh, Vintok. Vintok's cool, bro. No, I'm saying a soti is a morphe. Oh. I'm joking. Oh, okay. No worries, bro. Okay, I'm going to... I'm crying here, fuck. Alright, let me just update the signal group quick. You're not gonna wait here. My love. Fat fuck. Alright, guys. Wait, let me just try see the YouTube chat. I can't see the YouTube chat. Pop-up chat. Man. Okay, cool. So we got the YouTube chat going, we got the Discord chat going, and we sorted. Let me just check. On YouTube, you guys can see my screen, right? Probably not. Wait. Bro, this thing is glitching. Window capture. The peeps on YouTube, can you see the screen properly? I don't think you guys can. Me was stream glitchy, but audio is perfect. I hope it isn't glitchy anymore. No cropped in. Hold up, Papa chat. Let me see, chassis. Nope, can't see the screen. Okay, Discord is fine. YouTube, let's just try fix this thing because, oh, there we go. Don't worry, I figured out how to do it now. Whoa. Sorry if anyone has epilepsy. I hope this doesn't affect your epilepsy, bro. Okay, I think that should be fine. We can see it just cropped in a bit. Okay, so hopefully it's fixed. Yes, okay, cool, we sorted. All right, so I'm just going through the what been happening with NASDAQ. Broke the daily low, the previous day low. Is trading below the last week and daily golden zone. It has filled this FEG over here that we were looking for prior. Right now, it could be bouncing off the 1.618. But, you know, the markets are being extremely bearish today, right? Very, very bearish. Sorry, fixed, yes. So markets are extremely bearish. I was ideally looking for long sit-ups with NASDAQ, but, you know, just based off of this, the momentum might be more towards the sellers. So in terms of sell entries, you know, like we do have this 1 hour FEG, possibly a retest on the daily low. But yeah, the markets are extremely volatile today, guys, like really volatile. So once the market opens, let's just see what it does. Maybe we can get an entry point. But yeah, in these trading conditions, it is a little bit tough. I'll be very honest with you. So what I always say is, like, if there's, you know, enough confluences and it's aligned with your bias, then cool, it's a good trading day. But something like this, it's very volatile towards one side, and you kind of, like, if you had to just enter based off the momentum, you kind of gonna enter in the middle, right? And the middle isn't gonna be your friend. Udo, how you doing, broski? My Bavarian friend, how you, bro? I'm good, bro. I'm good. Yeah, apologies if there's any issues with the streaming today, but I think you guys can see my chart as well as me, so it should be fine. I just have one monitor with me today because I'm at an Airbnb, so it's like a mobile setup at the moment. Where are you traveling to now? YouTube is good, so is good. Oh, thank you for confirming that, Randy. At the moment, I'm in SA. Not for too long, but at the moment, I'm in SA. And then from next month, I'll be traveling in Southeast Asia a little bit. Still will be streaming, will actually be streaming more. I actually operate better when I'm um, sorry, I'm just checking these. Yeah, so I'll actually be like streaming more when I'm overseas. Also, the time zones are just a lot easier. I'm very interested, Holland, where are you from? Holland. I'm originally from South Africa, but yeah, I'm South African. I'm half Chinese, half Spanish. But I've been traveling for like the past couple years. But I was like mostly in Cape Town for most of like my life, I guess. I'm very curious about this bouncing off the 1.618. The only thing is that we do have this fair value gap below. So I think it is best to wait for market open, which is now, and then see what price does. I think, look, like for me, I usually look for a lot of confluences when I do trade. So right now we only have singular confluences. You know, we just have the SNR, we have the 1.618, the FEG, the last week low, this trend line, but price would have to come all the way down here to make it relevant. So there's not a lot of confluences helping us out here. So let's just see what price does. Hopefully we can get a trade in today, but like I said, like the way the market's moving, like getting so much movement already prior to New York Open, it's just a little bit sticky. You find trade FOMC. Oh, am I fine trading FOMC? If so, if that's what you're asking, I don't really like trading fundamentals. Like if I do trade fundamentals, it'll most likely be like what NFP, like something along those lines. But yeah, like trading fundamentals is obviously like high risk, bro. You need to do a lot of research for that stuff. Finna basically means going to, in other words, oh, finna. I understand that. You finna catch these hands type shit. Yeah, I probably won't trade FOMC though, to be honest, bro. Like, it's just not something that has a lot of. It's essentially gambling, right? Like FOMC, trading FOMC. Not completely against it, but I think like if you load up on like a smaller account or something, it could be fine. But yeah, again, you know, you're basically trading like what is coming out now. It's not really strong data. Okay, I like how price is reacting to this 1.618, but again, we are in basically a 4-hour support resistance zone. Options controls your losses for big events. Yep, I think like also when you trade, what's the name, like fundamentals, like, you know, the thing is like there's no real winning with fundamentals, because if you win with fundamentals, especially with the volatility and volume that comes into the market, it kind of sells you that dream that every single time, you know, when these fundamentals come out, you're going to make a lot of money, you're going to do this, whatever. So I think like fundamentals, it's okay if you like have a small count in your risk, like, I don't know, 100, 200, 400, $500, but just relying on like actual fundamentals to make money or call it trading is a little bit like far-fetched. Okay, 1.618 is acting pretty strong. We could look like, again, this will be a little bit of a sus trade, but we could wait for the next 15-minute candle and then possibly enter on a fair value gap of this candle, hopefully aligning with the 1.618. That's what we could possibly do. So we'll give it 10 minutes. We'll see how this candle closes. I would say with this trade today, guys, like go in with a little bit lower risk, just because usually like my other trades, we have 2, 3, 4 confluences, right? Today, we might just have one, you know. So it's not really the best trading conditions, but I'm going to try to get something for you guys regardless. Let's just align with the group. What do you guys think? Do you think that it's, I don't know, like a good idea to trade with these market conditions, or do you think, or you guys are actually sitting out? Let me know what you guys are thinking. We've got 7 more minutes on this candle. Hopefully we can get something. I just really hope it's not one of those where it like continues going up. It doesn't necessarily fill any gaps. So that would be really horrible. This time around, I'm not too sure, but we'll just go in with a low risk amount. Yeah, I agree, bro. I'm doing the same thing with my account. I'm literally decreasing my risk by 50%. So, for example, if you trade one lot, do a 0.5. If you trade two lots, do a 1. You know, I will have a tighter stop loss as well. Just to show you for reference what I would look at. It obviously depends where the fair value gap is, but let's just say in theory, if we get this 1.618, I would have my stop loss slightly below the FEG, and then in terms of targets, daily high, this FEG over here. I don't really see price climbing up that much, but I would say like to be optimistic, we can probably hit like this kind of trade. So yeah, again, like because of the way price is moving, I think final TP would actually be this, do you know, which is like a 1-to-1 basically, which I hate. Everyone knows that I hate 1-to-1s. So let's see if this plays out. I'll let you guys know when I enter. Roughly, again, we're waiting for the next 15-minute candle, so in 5 minutes we can hopefully get an entry. Four more minutes. Lovely rejection of the 1.618 though. I will say that. The rejection of the 1.618 is really, really good. So far, we are 848. Look, my goal is to get 10, right? At 10, do not watch the streams because it's going to go downhill from there, all right? No, I'm kidding. But yeah, like my goal is to just get 10. 10 would be great. Obviously, you know, after 10, I would want 20, but all the in between, like, it wouldn't really, in terms of like emotional numbers, like, you're not going to say, oh, I got 15. Like, it's either like 10 or 20, do you know? Okay, so far that would be our FEG. Price is still climbing though, so let's wait. Then that would be our entry. I do feel like we can move stop loss like tighter. Yo, heavy price movement. Bro, that's crazy. At this rate, we're just looking for a retest on the 4-hour support. Not even that trend or coming close to the 1.618 again. Okay, one more minute. Why is this candle so mean? It literally took out 30 minutes of selling in one 15-minute candle. Okay, we got a minute. Hopefully it doesn't climb up anymore. This FEG got filled. So let's just switch it over to here because this is the new relevant one. Alright, so that looks like that's what's going to be our fair value gap. We're probably going to get an entry like pretty soon. Let's just wait for the next 15. I ideally would like a retest, so even slightly below the FEG. There's a strong resistance above which could retrace. The 4-hour and the daily, yeah, there's a lot of resistance above. But I think like once we get our entry point, hopefully here, and price breaks and retest that 4-hour support, then we can possibly look at moving our SL to entry early. But yeah, we just need price to, come further down. I'm not going to enter just based on that retest. I want this FEG to get filled. The market's been moving mad since Asia session gold, Nasdaq and S&P tanked. Bro, it's been moving crazy. It's really been moving crazy. This trade setup, George, like, not really like happy. It's a low quality trade. It could still play out, but yeah, like I mentioned, like to the other people previously, like it's not gonna be a lovely trade. Like it's definitely a little bit sketch. All right, we tapped into the FEG. That's fine. And then 2589. see if we can get that a proper fill. I'll probably like yeah, it's not a crazy good ratio trade unless like we at least get at this trend over here. Okay, price is looking good. I just want that retest. Okay, we can get in at this price point, 28609. And then stop loss is at 28290. TP1 would be 28805. And TP2 would be 29062. We'll do 29060. All right, so we're in on NAS. NASDAQ buy at 28603, and then our SL is at 28364. TP1 is 28805, and then TP2 is 29060. Okay, that's what we're looking at. And then once we break that for our support resistance, all right, then we can possibly look at moving our stop loss to entry. So we got that retest on that trend. We did fill this FEG. So now we just need price to essentially do its thing. And then SL to entry, probably once we break and retest this. So once we break and retest that, then we can move our SL to entry. Hope all is well. Yo, bro. It's going good. Dude, I blew an eval last night on gold, went into aggressive, saw some nice profits, and then market turned the draw. Fuck, bro. I'm sorry. Lovely entry there. Yeah, so far it's okay. So far it's okay. I'm also looking for that break and retest, but yeah, so far it's okay. Okay, so far it's looking great, guys. We just need price to break out of that, retest, and then, well, break, retest, and that's all. That's all. I'll trade Dunzos. Lovely entry there. Sorry about I read your message again. Come on, NASDAQ. Be friendly to us, please. So 4 more minutes until this 15-minute candle. We do ideally want this candle to close above the 4-hour support resistance. So far it's a little bit tight. Three more minutes. We got a nice reaction off of that 5-minute trend and the FEG, but it looks like price is struggling to break again that 4-hour support resistance. So let's just see. We're right now at entry again. Oh, this thing is boosting at the moment down. Well, looks like a strong buy. Let me check 1 hour. Yeah, if we can close, well, it's pretty much will close like a spinning top. But yeah, I agree, bro. 1 hour does look good. Oh no, sorry, 1 hour. 1 hour. I would need this body to be basically a spinning top. So price needs to at least close at like basically at our entry, then it could be okay. That's a new 15-minute candle. Let's just see. Okay, so it would have already filled the gap. Yeah, so the thing is, until we break this 4-hour support resistance, we can't protect our entries, because if we protect our, for example, like now, when price came just slightly above that entry, if we had to protect our entries, we would have gotten tapped out already. So we just let this play out. Hopefully the volume can come in and we can at least make something here. Come on, Naz. Do something for us. Okay, so we're back at entry. So far, so good. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, we're back in profit now. Now we're just looking for that break. Right, the moment it breaks, we can move our stop loss to entry, and then we just let it run. Damn, screen fucked. Hey, what do you do when the screen fucks up? I can't remember. Close the apps and reopen, bro. That's all you can do, I guess. It's all you can do. If you decide to break it, they'll record it for us and then send it to us. But yeah, I also hate it, bro, when my phone glitches and shit. Like, but it's usually because of Wi-Fi connection, like cell phone connection. Like my Wi-Fi here, surprisingly, it's fine for the stream, but my phone's glitching out, so I had to switch to my eSIM to, actually like place trades on my phone. We like to trade with NASDAQ because NASDAQ is our friend. And when we trade with NASDAQ, it moves us out to entry and we make money. Yeah. Come on, bro. Just do it for us one time. Well, it's the 9th time, but just do it for us the 9th time. Fuck. Back at entry again. Man, the buyers are struggling. Bro, I feel you. It's taking ages. Move this up here. Why is it so emotional? Bomba clot, shaky warrior. Let's go, let's go. W pattern possibly forming on 15-minute will be a good sign for the buy. Let me take a look. W pattern 15. I wouldn't really say that's a W. Yeah, I wouldn't really say that's a W. New 15-minute candle. This could be a good sign. Could be a morning star pattern. Just depends if we break that low. Let's see. So on the 15-minute, we could have a morning star, but if it surpasses the previous 15-minute low, then it would invalidate it. So morning star, we would essentially look at price at least coming to this point, so 640. back shortly. Okay, so the morning star is still on. It's just a matter of time, I guess. Sorry, I'm just switching my camera quick. There we go. Back. Okay, so we add entry now. I think once we surpass this 50% area, we could possibly move our stop loss to entry. Okay, price is moving. There we go. 28638 28605. Bro, I just realized the problem with today. George, you literally got it, bro. That is like genuinely the issue. Is like, if I smoke it, I'll get a huge fine. So, yeah, that's just how it is. Maybe should we say fuck the fine and light a pipe? Maybe that's what we should do. But yeah, it's weird trading without a shisha pipe, bro. I'll be honest with you. Burn that shit. It's so weird trading without a shisha pipe. I actually want to see how many people are on the YouTube. Oh, we have nine people. Come on. Next 15-minute candle, if we can close bullish with this, then we could possibly finally get our SL to entry. But let's just see. Let's just see. And guys, I don't know if you guys are like into Pokemon. Yeah. But I got this pack and I pulled this. This is worth $150. Which is pretty crazy. The artwork is pretty nuts. But yeah, pulled that baby. No, but bro, I kid you not. My Pokemon collection, right, is like $8,000, like the value of it. And like I didn't even realize like it was, but yeah, it is. Profits will cover the fine and some brew, but like my Airbnb rating though, my Airbnb rating will be dusted, George. What currency we talking? USD, bro. 8,000 USD. I think it's like in rands. It's what, like 140,000 rand, I think, around there. Let me check. 8,000. Yeah, it's like 133,000 rand. Me and my friends broke a sink at Airbnb before DW. It can't be that bad. I should have missed that 5 years. By the time Pokemon came out, I was more into. Okay, bro. And how's that going for you, bro? How's the chasing goals going for you? That Airbnb rating is needed, bro. It is needed, bro. Come on, 2 more minutes on. Oh fuck, 2 more minutes on this candle. Let's try see if we can get something. It's literally just playing like entry, drawdown, slightly profit. Like, wow, credit to look. Oh, nice. Oh shit. Sorry, bro. I was hyper focused on your 2 kids and then a divorce. But like, hey, you're still up. You got, 2 kids. So. I reckon you still up, bro. And what, are you like single now? Or like you like in the dating pool again? That was 7 years ago. I'm way up. Nice, bro. Type shit out, that'd be up. Nice. And what, are you dating again? Or you kind of just like single for life? Okay. Must have been a crazy divorce, bro. Fuck. To be fair, he said he's just single for life. Doesn't mean that he doesn't like, have fun and stuff. So back then, I never thought. Okay, new 15-minute candle. Perfect, but continue. Don't tease us. Single for life, but still checks the oil levels from time to time. Exactly, bro. We're just wondering how often do you go for your service? Do you know what I'm saying? Like, let's check 5. Okay. So we really need this 15-minute candle to close bullish. Oh, I work on my own stuff all the time, but yes, every now and again you got to go chase some women. I guess they're cougars now. Type shit, bro. Type shit. Yeah. How old are you, bro? So what, you've been divorced or single for 7 years? You have 2 goals. So I fuck. Like, I assume you're maybe married for, let me guess. Okay, you're 41. Okay? Single for 7 years. Wait, let me guess, bro. Don't tell me. Okay? 41 minus 7. So you got divorced at 34. My guess is you got married at 28, right? So you were married for 6 years. Right? 6 years married, then divorced at 34. Let's see if I'm right. 41's still young, bro. 14 years. Shit. Okay, I'm way off, bro. So that means if you're 41 now and you've been single for 7 years, minus 14, you were married at 20, bro. Jeez, that's crazy. Yeah, that's nuts, bro. Yeah, fuck, getting married at 20 is nuts. Where are you from? Are you from South Africa? Or where in the world are you from? DWF. Wait. Nope. I'm lost. Oh, Dallas, Texas. Okay. Bro, I'm thinking country. Like, okay, Dallas, Texas in the States. Very cool, bro. Very cool. Yeah, Dallas looks insane, bro. I've seen like a lot of videos of Dallas. I really want to go there. But yeah, married at 20, bro. That's crazy. Jeez, like. It's not cowboy and shit. Like everyone thinks of Texas is very different. Yeah, I, well, I have seen some stuff online. Like it's not like cowboys and pickup trucks and all that stuff. I think there's definitely more of like a Western culture than compared to the rest of the states. But yeah, I can see that, bro. Oh, okay. So what, more like Houston maybe. Houston's huge as well, like the land and stuff. I know property is good in Texas. I think it's like probably one of the most affordable states in America in terms of like per square meter. So what you pay versus what you get. Houston is the ghetto. What? Really? That's crazy. Well, again, I haven't been there, so you probably have a better opinion than I do. But yo, I thought Houston was very like um family orientated. Like I know, like if you speak about ghettos, like Atlanta, like just based off like what rappers say and stuff. But yo, Houston being the ghetto is pretty like shocking, bro. Eros, I'm as shocked as you, bro. Like, yeah, it's pretty nuts. If Houston's the ghetto, what do you think about Atlanta? I'm curious. Because Atlanta's like where, like shit goes down. Dallas probably more comparable to what every major cities are. Like more people from all over the world and California and Dallas than people from Texas or Dallas. Atlanta's I know not somewhere I've traveled, but I've heard it's not good. Okay. Yeah, I've heard it's like more like hood, you know. But I think it's pretty dope. Like I think the culture is pretty cool. Um, but yeah, bro. Again, you know more than I do. Oh, that 15-minute candle's crazy, guys. That's a crazy 15-minute candle. He's like, okay, looking good slowly. It's really, really looking good slowly. No, just keep it up. Yeah, Atlanta's hood. Dallas has a hood too, but it's really spread out when you count the triple X. Okay, it's pretty similar to SA as well, bro. Like every single not country, every single city kind of has a hood, right? Like what Cape Town would be like Manenberg, Kailicha, um, Mitchell's Plain. Joburg, what you'll get Alex, Soweto. Um, there's another one that I can't remember. Durban, you get Phoenix. So yeah, every place I guess in the world kind of has hoods within like major cities. I'm not funded, only have a $200 account, so I'm trying to get perfect entry to not blow fast. Okay, so Eros, when you're trading your $200 account, right, is your like the stop loss that I gave at that point, let's just say if it hit stop loss, are you losing 200 rand or are you going to lose the 200 rand, for example, anywhere in between that drawdown? Oh, gone. Shit, bro. Shit, I'm sorry about that. What broker are you trading with? XM. Bro, move over to Volt, okay? I'll tell you what, move over to Volt. Um, there's go to my Instagram. Eros, do you have me on Instagram? Just let me know quickly. Yeah, okay. Go over to my Instagram, create a Volt account. Okay, click the link in my bio and stuff. right? Yes, you know, I'm in IB, so you'll be like under me and stuff. And then today I'll like e-wallet you, I don't know, like what you were trading with 200 bucks. I'll e-wallet you 200 bucks and you can fund again. You know, maybe I'll send extra. But yeah, just DM me on Instagram as well, bro. I got you. Fuck, bro. I'll send you 500 bucks. Fuck it. I'll send you 500 bucks. And then trade that with what I want you to do, Eros, afterwards, right? Create a micro bonus. I think it's a 200 micro bonus 200 account with XN. Okay. So if you put 500, 200% of that would be 1,500. Fuck. Hell no. Hell no. That's my cue to go, guys. Sorry, the signal's bad. Adios. Hell no. I think it's micro bonus 200, right? So I think if you put 500, 200% of that, you know, it doesn't mean that you can lose that much. It just means that you have that much buying and selling power. So that could hopefully get you, you know, a little bit started. And then literally, bro, 500 is your base point. Anything that you make above 500, boom, put into your wallet. Where in bio? Let me check. Links. So it will be. Let me just. You know, the signal's horrible. So, oh, okay. I know who you are, bro. Okay, I got your DM. So it will be the second link. Create your Vault Markets account. Alright. So just go there, and then yeah, create a Vault Markets account. Yeah, I know who you are, bro. We chatted before. We're paying school fees. Yes, sir. Unfortunately, we're still pretty like okay, but we just need to see this 15-minute candle. But guys, I need to jump on my mentorship calls now at 5 p.m. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to update you guys on the trade on the Discord. If you're in the Signal, if you are in the Signal group, then you'll get updates as well. Everyone watching on YouTube, you'll get updates on the Discord. Just join the server. The server is in my Instagram. My Instagram is Jamie Hu. And then yeah, most importantly, I will update you guys when to move your SLT entry, right? Because that is the most important thing for this trade, just moving our SLT entry. And then when we get to that point, I'll also update you when I take my TPs and so on. But over here, just keep in mind that our TPs are 28,805, 29,060, and once we break or touch 29,680, we'll move our stop loss to entry. Alright, but hopefully this can turn around. And yeah. Alright, sweet. Thanks for watching. Nice to meet you guys properly, and have a great Thursday. YouTube, cheers guys. Lots of love.